Hey there, adventurers, welcome back. Well, we're over here back in Big Bear again, guys. And yeah, I know, we've done this place so many times, but there's so many places you can camp at. And we decided to bring some friends along with us for their first time dispersed camping out in this area. And what better place to start than Holcomb Valley. Now, Holcomb Valley, as you guys know, is full of a bunch of great places to visit. And you know that there's no shortage of space up here. And that's what we really came to find. Find our own little space to have just a great hangout and get our friends into some dispersed camping. So that let's see how they enjoy it. But guys, if you guys like Wander Off-Road, please consider subscribing, liking our content, leaving a comment, guys. Your support really does help out our channel grow. And that's what we really ask for, is your guys' support in this time. But hey guys, we hope you enjoy this video. So I want to give a big shout out to Devos Outdoors, guys. We're a brand ambassador for them, and we stand by their product, guys. They really make a great camping light that's so versatile in so many ways, from holding your Starlink Mini like we have right here to putting a table out. This is really a multifaceted camping device that makes your adventures just a little bit more comfortable. Plus, for me, having the Starlink Mini mount really makes it so much easier to stay in contact when we're out here adventuring and post updates to you guys when we're out on the road as well. But hey guys, if you like this content for Devos Outdoors, use promo code WonderOffRoad for 10% off your order from Devos Outdoors. There you get some great gear for your next adventure. Link in the description below. When you buy a tent and you haven't ever used this, you have to read the instructions really thoroughly. 5 seconds before you're about to set it up.
5 seconds before.
Got everybody all set up here. Should. And now we are trying to find the right. Did you break it?
No, I'm trying to figure out how this rubber thing goes because this thing was
Broke it. Oh, come on, Sergio.
I'm gonna blow with my mouth.
All right, guys, we're gonna make some dinner now. We got some Johnsonville jalapeno cheddar sausages. Nice. Easy peel. Oh, that smells good. We got Sergio and James. So of course, no camp is complete without hanging around the campfire. I gotta tell you guys, being over here in Southern California, you know almost all these areas are perpetual fireman in the mountains. But we set up our fire can from Ignic, and this really helps us bring the mood in. And plus on top of that, it does keep us warm too as well. On this particular night we were out, it did dip below the 40s, which was a little chilly, but we were well prepared. And of course, we made sure our friends that are on their first time out also did come at least well prepared for this adventure. But it really does help out, you know, to have someone guide you when you're on your first adventure for dispersed camping. Plus, it was also great on this adventure as well when we also had some more friends show up too, and we were able to get them into the spot, and they made it, you know. So guys, you know, what's your favorite spot to camp at with your friends? This is why we love Holcomb Valley. It's a great area with a ton of great places for everyone to come out and camp. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video this far, and if you like our content and want to help support Wander Off-Road, check the link in the description below for our Shopify store, guys. We have a lot of great merch for you guys to purchase for us, guys. Also, we do share our affiliate links as well there, so every affiliate link that we do have with a discount code will be posted there as well for you guys, so you guys can get yourself a discount on so many great items and services that we are associated with over here at Wander Off-Road, guys. If you guys like this content, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.